Your battery is what keeps your vehicle going, from starting it up to running all the electronics in your cabin to everything in between. Your battery should last around 3 to 6 years with normal usage, but that may vary with the climate. If you're here in Keene, New Hampshire, you know that we have been having a heat wave, but the cold weather is upon us, and with those extreme changes in temperature, your battery may be depleting faster and may leave you with a dead battery sooner rather than later. Today, I'm here at Subaru of Keene to talk with Service Manager Justin Tyler all about everything you need to do to keep your battery running properly.
If you're noticing that your engine is taking a little longer to start up lately, or if you're noticing a sulfuric odor, seeing corrosion, the battery is bloated or leaking, your battery may need replacement. If your battery is older than 3 years and you take your car frequently on short trips of 20 minutes or less, it may be a good time to run a battery test just to make sure there's no trouble on the horizon. The battery test machine will take the temperature of your battery, your VIN, which is specific to your vehicle, and enter the data that's on the battery, ensuring this test is specific for your vehicle. Best practices to ensure battery capacity is at full. If your daily commute is 10 minutes or less, to assure full battery capacity, try to take a vehicle ride for a minimum 30 to 45 minutes to assure the battery has charged back up what you've used to start your vehicle. If you have a vehicle that has a push button start, please make sure the key is with you at all times and not left in the vehicle, as it will cause the computers to stay alert looking for this battery, ultimately causing the battery to drain. Leaving dome lights or even a door open as short as a half hour can cause the battery to drain and not have enough cold cranking amps to start the battery. To be assured that your battery is constantly at full capacity, performing regular maintenance at Subaru of Keene will help assure that we're testing your battery and making sure you're not going to be left stranded. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Justin Tyler, and my team of automotive experts, and we'll get your vehicle started up and running right here at Subaru of Keene.
To check out our latest service coupons and to schedule your service appointment, please visit www.subaruofkeene.com or give us a call at 603-355-5000 today. We can't wait to work with you here at Fenton Family Dealerships.